EagleRidge is the trusted expert in bathroom remodeling for homeowners in Bountiful. With a commitment to high-quality craftsmanship and personalized service, we transform bathrooms into beautiful, functional spaces that enhance comfort and style. Whether you want a sleek, modern design or a classic, elegant look, our team ensures every detail meets your vision. We provide a full range of remodeling services, from expert design and planning to the installation of premium fixtures, tubs, showers, sinks, cabinets, and tile. Our skilled professionals handle plumbing, electrical work, lighting, ventilation upgrades, waterproofing, and custom cabinetry. We also specialize in accessibility modifications, smart technology integration, heated flooring, and luxurious additions like saunas, steam rooms, and spa tubs. At EagleRidge, we prioritize efficiency, durability, and customer satisfaction, ensuring your bathroom remodel is completed on time and within budget. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom with expert craftsmanship and stylish finishes, call EagleRidge in Bountiful today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate.